Alright, so I couldn't find any videos on this online anywhere that really told you how to do it yourself. So I just kind of found a video similarly close and just kind of sent it. So this is for a 2006, I believe the year models range from 05 to 11. This will also work for the HID bulbs. They're non-halogens, these things right here, the expensive bulbs. My ballast went, I believe that's the ballast, because this thing looks nasty as hell, and I couldn't get the headlight to work. So if this works, which we'll see, if this works, it's a bad ballast. The ballast is located on the underside of the headlight, and you're supposed to pull this bumper off, but I'm stubborn, didn't want to pull the bumper off. So there's a bolt right here and two right here up top that you can access from the engine bay. The bottom one I could get squeezing my arm up through this little hole here, but that's if you got little arms, it's easy to do. And so I'm going to change this ballast back, and I'll show you guys if it actually works or not.